What's up, guys? What up? What up? What is going on, everybody? Yesterday's stream was fire. I know, bro. I know. That was a good stream. That was a good stream. What's good, Lucas? What up? What up? Yeah, 15-minute flow model indeed, bro. 15-minute flow model indeed. Maybe up into... Ooh, fuck. Maybe it just... Maybe we just get it here. Oh yeah, we just got flow model there. 15-minute flow model straight to the upside there. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, never mind. We're good. Not in the warehouse tonight, L. Yeah, not tonight. Not tonight. Soon, bro. Soon. What am I looking for? Right now, bro, I mean, I'm kind of iffy. Right now, just because the way this hourly looks right now, I'm thinking previous day high. Previous day high is what I'm thinking here right now. So let's see if we can secure an entry right here. This would be pretty cool. Only thing is we have equal lows here that we just put in. That kind of throws me off a little bit. We have equal lows, but whatever. Yeah, these are some lucids that I'm trading right now. I'm on these lucids. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of lucid, so trading these right now. I'm gonna see how it goes. Yeah, looking for previous day high out of this move. Looking for previous day high. No love. Oh, no live DJ. Nah, no live DJ in the crib, bro. No live DJ in the crib, bro. I got a HOA, bro. I'm gonna get kicked out immediately. On God, flow model's been printing lately. I know, bro. Flow model is always printing. Flow model's always up, bro. My flow model users are always up. Yeah, I'd like to see this change in state level. I'd like to see this. Let's see if we can slap a little long here into the previous day high. Or it's just gonna pump without filling me. Looks good. If we can get it, this looks good. I would like to see this. Yeah, I'm looking for long right now, guys. I'm looking for long right now off this 1-minute flow model. 15-minute fair value gap, 1-minute flow model. But it looks like it may just fucking pump without me, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted a retest there. Didn't get it. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, everybody like the stream up, bro. Everybody like up the stream, guys. Before we even begin, let's like up the stream. Give me some likes, and I'll get you guys some accounts. All right, that's the trade-off. Give me some likes, get you guys some accounts. W trade-off. Dylan, what up, Dylan? Average RR with your model. It depends. This one, the flow model, which I publicly teach here to you guys, anywhere from 3 to 4 is the average. Actually, I would say 2 to 3. The top and bottom ticking model that I teach inside premium, that one is more like 8 to 10 R average. I'm coming out with some tweaks to that model for premium this weekend, and that will boost the win rate and the RR up by a good amount. So our average RR from that is going to be probably like 10 to 15. When are you going to hook premium members with accounts and never win? Bro, I will. Don't you guys worry, bro. If you're in premium, do not worry. When was the last trade? Last night, bro. Last night I took one. Let me show you guys. Is this gonna focus though? There you go. Look at that. God damn, look at that entry. That was the last one. Now is it gonna focus on me? Hello, there we go. Good boy. You think we make new highs in Asia? I would like to see that, yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think it could. It is a little choppy here, though, for sure. Be careful. Be careful, be careful. Ultimately, I'm favoring a move lower because obviously this daily open, no lower wick at all. So we should go for that at some point. But I think right now it might want to take out previous day high first. This New York AM was absolutely fucking insane. Like, the shit we were doing today was nuts. But yeah, ultimately I'm in favor for short. Like, my overall bias here is short, but I'm thinking maybe we get to previous day high before it does so. Let's see. Only reason I'm in this trade though here is because I got my entry model, right? If I didn't get this entry model here, I would be more in favor of the short because we hit this 1 hour wick CE here, right? Important 1 hour wick CE that we just hit here. We also hit the daily wick CE. We also have 4 hour wick CE. Like, we have a few wick CEs here that we hit. By the way, I just got tapped into that trade. So a few wick CEs here that could, you know, reject. We could get a rejection from this area, but let's see. You know, let's see. I'm not coming in with like a hard bias, but I would like to see previous day high and then a rejection. That's what I'm thinking so far. Are you gonna stream tomorrow in New York? Depends. It depends on what it's doing. If we meet my daily objective of the day before New York opens, then there's really no point, right? Like, my daily objective for today's New York open was previous day high, right? All-time high, and we ended up hitting that. So yeah, you know, for me, there wasn't really a point to trade New York, so I just stayed away from New York entirely. But yeah. Let's see though. We are in this. I go BE up here. I go BE up here. Because I know somebody's going to ask, so. There's your answer. That's where I go BE. It inverts the 15-minute gap. Yeah, this first one. Yeah, in the immediate one. This one is the more important one. This one we did not inverse yet. This is kind of what I was waiting for to see. Actually, I don't even need to see an inverse of this gap to short. Like, if this trade gets stopped out, I'm all in favor for short. Because then that means this hourly wick CE is playing out, right? So, yeah, just to be clear, again, like I said, overall, my bias is short. I want this to go lower. However, we do have an entry trigger from this 15-minute and 1 minute here. So I kind of have to enter this trade, you know. It does look good. But this is mechanical model. Like, the trade looks good. We gonna take it. Crystal, what's up? Is this on the apexes? No, this is not. I'm not trading the apexes right now. This is not on the apexes. This is on my lucids. These are on my my lucid accounts. Just started watching. What strategy do you trade? I trade the power of 3. You still have Apex ending tonight on the stream? Oh shit, I do. No, let me change that. There you go. Doesn't end tonight, but it ends soon. PDH right there too. Pretty solid chance it hits. Yeah, I would like to see that. I would like to see that. Win rate for Power 3. And do you use it on all sessions or Asia? Right now, the win rate is pretty fucking high. The win rate on PO3 is popping. PO3 flow model, it is popping. I think anywhere right now we're anywhere from like 60 to 80% usually in a week. Do I use it on all sessions? Do I use it on all sessions or just Asia? I use it on all sessions, guys. All right, we hit break even, so I'm gonna go BE here. The trade is free. Congratulations, congratulations. The trade is free. Nice and easy. Let's see if we can get a nice push up here into these highs and then ultimately the previous day high. I have 8 contracts, so I'm gonna trim off 3 here, leave 5 running to the highs. There you go. This is what the trade will look like here. Let's get some continuation past this BE level, though. Got to inverse this 5.5 VG on ES first? Not necessarily. ES isn't going to dictate where this goes. We do have SMT with ES at the lows here, so that's pretty much all I need to see. Yeah, everybody like the stream up, bro. Everybody like up the stream, guys. Come on. We need some likes up in here. Use trade syncer to copy trade. I don't use trade syncer to copy trade, no. Come on, buddy. I need some movement here. Pick up some speed. Let's go. I need a fat pop. Like, just a big fat pop through these highs. Through these old highs right here. Fat pop through the highs. Come on, buddy. RR. This trade is 4.65. The average RR trading this model is give or take 3 to 4, 2 to 3, between 2 to 4 average. Are those equal highs? They should be hit. Not equal. No, they're not equal. Come on, it wants to go. Let's go. Let's pop. Come on. It needs some words of encouragement. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Since watching you, I've had 4 fundeds, burnt 1 funded. Great content with PO3. I combine it with... yeah, that is a forbidden name that we do not use around here. Was good, Harold? What up, bro? Did you enjoy your timeout from yesterday, bro? My mods were on you, bro. On you. I hope you enjoyed that time. You got to sit in the corner and think about your actions and what you did. And, you know, now you're back. Now you have the right to be able to chat again. He goes 9 as a narc and immediately gets his message deleted. Hot water with the honey you have and put some lemon juice for your throat. I know I need to, honestly. I think I have to, bro. He's already in the corner. Nah, he's back. Come on, what are we doing? What is this? Let's go. Get up there. What are you waiting for? What the fuck? Where is it? Yo, as soon as I put it there, we got to pop. Where's the... I'm trying to look for the salute. Star Trek salute. I don't know. I just put something on. I can't find a salute, so this is the next best thing. If you had 60 accounts, how would you copy trade them? In one group or separate? In one group, bro. Do the arms stretched out? It's not up. It's not on here. The stretched out arm, it's not on here. All right, unless I'm tweaking, I don't see it. Come on. Come on. This thing just BSing right now. Doing a whole lot of nothing. And the main reason why I was, by the way, just so you guys know, the main reason why I was quick to move to break even in the first place here was because of the equal lows that we have here, guys. These lows here on MNQ, at least, I don't know what it looks like on NQ, and I'd imagine they're probably not equal on NQ, but these lows here on MNQ are equal, perfectly equal lows. You know, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to just go break even quickly and just be aggressive with moving the stop loss, just in case, you know, it wants to go for these equal lows. We're out of the trade quickly. NQ swept, yeah. Yeah, definitely need a bounce here for sure. And go a tiny bit higher on the stop loss to just that low. Do you see my sticker? I did see your sticker, bro. Web, I did see it. It's supposed to say code key, but I think I'll do, like, you know what? That'll do as well. I like the initiative and the creativity, Web. I do like that. I do like that. even though you're probably not coming, you probably had no idea what impact was, and you probably aren't even going to be there. But you know what? I can appreciate this, and you will win an account by the end of this stream. All right, congrats, Web. All right, we're coming back up. We're coming back up. We're coming back up. Nice. Yo, can you stop spamming the same thing in your chat, in my chat, bro? What are we doing? Come on, bro. Like, bro. Okay, we put in some SMT here at the highs, but we don't really give a shit about SMT. We want to see it go straight through the highs. Second time coming through here. Like, let's just get a big push. I need a big pop candle that closes above 27,128. That's what I need right now. I need a big pop candle and a closure above 27,128. Please and thank you. If we could do that, this thing is clear skies into at least the first TP, which is the current Asia high. At least the first TP is for sure. If I had a fast car, I'd definitely come race at Pocono Raceway. I'm not there, but trying. Well, I'm not racing my car at Pocono Raceway. It's a show. So like, there's a show part, and then there's and then the racing part. I like how you are chill while trading. I actually watch for your psych, even though I have different mentor. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, you know, I don't have to be. It's just whatever you guys can get out of this, good enough, bro. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to watch for you know, these kinds of trades. You can trade a completely different kind of way, but then watch for something completely different. Totally fine. You gonna drive the track at all? No, I'm not gonna drive the track, bro. I have a booth there for my company, so I will be at the booth. You know, no racing or anything for me. Damn, bro, come on. New 4-hour open here, by the way, guys. 10 p.m. open. I think that's gonna, yeah. Took my stop. Took my trailed stop. So I got stopped in profit there. I can get that shit out of here. I'm interested to see if this continues playing out in some capacity, because technically this trade here is valid until this low gets taken, right? So, I mean, I guess we'll see if it wants to go through that low or, like, you know, go to the upside here. But as of right now, this long trade would still be valid until these equal lows get taken. We just got stopped in profit, which, whenever, cool with me. I'm fine with that. Watch and see what this does. You still have the Apexes? Yeah, I still have them. They have, like, I think $400 of drawdown left right now. Yeah, let's see what this does. This was a really strong 4-hour closure, though. I will say, this is one thing that I'll say. This 4-hour closure here was way too strong for us to not go and at least sweep these highs. Like, I think we at least do that. You know what I'm saying? I think we'll at least do that. Bro, this guy said, just because that flag, I'm unfollowing your channel. Yo, we had the flag there because Netanyahu controls the market, and he was going to pump it up for us. But, you know, obviously it's gone now. We're not supporting that. Come on. Chill out, bro. Relax. Anyways, yeah, as I was saying, I think it's too strong of a closure there on the last 4 hour for us to not go through the highs. Do you think we're taking all times right now? I would like, that's what I would like to see. Yeah, I would like to see that. That is the ideal situation, is we go and we put in new all-time highs, new all-time high, and then a rejection. That's what I want to see. It might take these equal lows that we put in here. Let's see. Would you short once a new all-time high? Yeah. Yeah. I would. Right now, I just want to see if this trade will at least go to the highs. SMT indicator, it is called... Fuck it. I hate how it doesn't have the name. It's SMT divergences V2 by out of options right here. SMT divergences V2 by out of options. That's the SMT indicator. It's pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I hate SMT indicators, but this one, best one. Best one. Flow model out of the gap, 1 hour. Yeah, it could do that too. It could do that too. This one hasn't failed yet. The 15-minute one hasn't failed yet. So I'm just watching this range to see if it respects or continues to respect this. Who makes it? Out of options. I just said that. Literally just said that. Short 15-minute XD from New York session to end dog. No, I think previous day high. Previous day high, I'll short. I would like to see previous day high, bro. Are your settings in that indicator? Yeah, they're default settings. Yeah, bro. Everybody like the stream, guys. Everybody like up the stream, please, and thank you. Everybody like up the stream. Guys, we have 71 likes, bro. What are we doing? Can everybody like the stream? Thank you. Everybody like up the stream. This could go a little bit lower to this this hourly. It could do this, but it's in doing so, it disrespects this 15-minute flow model, 15-minute to 1 minute. But let's see, I guess. Willing to watch it play out. We doing giveaways tonight? Yeah, we are. As long as you guys fucking like the stream, absolutely. I have 3 lucid crates to give away tonight. 3 lucid crates. So yeah, you guys need to like up the stream at least. Secret level inside 1 hour. Yeah, let me get it, bro. Yeah, we do have secret level inside of the 1 hour. Where's my fucking... Oh. I was about to say. My magnet was gone, dude. My magnet pieced out on me. Okay. Do a little bit of this action right here. A little bit of this action right here. A little bit of that action. Okay. So 2 levels that I have that I like. Okay. I got 97.75. All right. Or it's 97.50 on MNQ. 97.50, and then I got 90. Well, actually, it'll be 87. These are my 2 levels that I like. 97.50 and 87. I like these. So, these 2 I will watch. I'll watch these 2. See what it does. All right. I think this will, yeah. Oh, there's 97.50. That's the first one. That's the first one right there. 97.50. That's level number 1. So we'll see how it reacts to that. I'm more or less watching this 15-minute. Like, obviously, if we get a super bearish close inside of this 15-minute, then that means that this hourly wick CE is playing out, and it's just gonna go. It's gonna go lower without properly manipulating this 4-hour. You know, which is fine as well, but still, like, I still am expecting some upside right now. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Still expecting some upside right now. So let's see. Getting a little bit of a bounce here off this 97.50. Let's see. What I would do here. Oh, what a pop! What I would do here is I would watch like the CE of this 97.50. This 1 minute right here, for example, right? And we can watch the CE of this and see if we come back through and tap the CE. There, like that right there. You can long that. Fuck it, let's try it. Literally, like, no, like, bro, no risk at all. I'm only 5 micros. I'm just gonna try. This is my lucid evals. Lucid evals. Let's see. What's this at? I need 1,000 more on this, or 900 more on this. We have almost no risk on the table, so I feel pretty comfortable taking this on an eval, especially. All right. This is a 17.85 R, by the way. 17.85 R. So let's scope it out and see. This is one, and then the other one I'll try 87.50. Both confirmation setups. I'll do both like this, where we do it after a rejection block is formed. Lower time frame rejection block forms, and then we get entry from there, just so there's like no risk. Very minimal risk. At 5 micros each of these, I'm risking less than $100 total. Okay, that one didn't work. That one did not work. So 87, see if 87 can give a... actually, I like 87 a lot better. If 87 can give a rejection block entry of sorts, I think that would be pretty fire. This 15 minute is going to be important, right? Oh, this 87 is going to be important because if it can't hold this 87, we'll fully inverse this 15 minute, meaning we're bearish, right? And that hourly CE is going to hold, and this is going to go all the way down. Ultimately, right? Again, like I said, ultimately, people are coming in new and saying, "Oh, how come you're not looking at the gap?" Whatever the fuck people are saying. I am bearish. Okay, this is like the important thing to note is I am bearish. But in order for me to be bearish, I need to be bullish first for this 4 hour, right? Like it's just a layered PO3. I need to be bullish for this 4 hour to then be bearish for the daily, right? That's kind of the basis behind this. It's just a layered bias. So, yeah. Hence the reason why I'm attempting a long here. Okay. But yeah, ultimately, looking to take a short for sure. Yeah, I know we're in a 1 hour FVG here. Let's see how 87 reacts. Everybody like the stream, bro. Everybody like the stream. We're at 115 likes. I'm gonna need at least 200. I'm gonna give away 3 lucid crates tonight. 3 lucid crates, but you guys gotta earn it, bro. So everybody like the stream. Not really interested in bounce right here. Like this doesn't really, I don't care about this. I need to see 87 first. Please, man, give me 87. We do have SMT here with ES. Damn, bro, ES went all the way through the low? Is it that weak? Holy shit. I didn't think ES was that weak. It went all the way through the low, though. Running a Kahoot tonight? Maybe. Let's see. Probably not tonight. I don't think we'll have time. Like, I'm not going to stay on all night because I got to be up for New York. So, probably not. We'll do Kahoot the next warehouse stream, which is going to be next week. How late did you guys stay up last night? The stream ran till like 12:30, 12:15, I think. 12:15, 12:30. It was late. The latest stream I've ever done, I think. It was late. Damn, bro. Is it just gonna edge my fucking 87 and just go? I think it might just edge my 87 and go. That might be what's happening. All right, coming back down. Coming back through this area here. I'm gonna be real. I love what you do and I appreciate all you do. I just have a hard time trusting you when you say you'll be on. Yeah, I mean, bro, look, at the end of the day, I just, if I see, especially in New York, right? If I see that the market has already delivered to my objective, I just probably won't hop on stream, bro. Or I'll hop on inside the Discord. Like, that's pretty much it. You know, there's no point in me wasting my time, especially for New York, where I could actually be doing a lot of, I could be like running errands. I could be like doing shit. I have shit to do through the day, you know? So like I can start taking care of things that I have to do, rather than just sit and stare at a fucking chart that I know is going to do absolutely nothing. So yeah. I wanted to come back and report those 2 accounts you gave me last night. I passed today. Oh, W, let's go, bro. Hell yeah, Brandon. Fire. You guys should do that more. It was fun to watch. Yeah, we're definitely going to do them more. 100% going to do them more. What about the open gap? You don't think it's going there? Bro, I swear to God, if I get this question one more time. 3 more accounts. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Fire, fire, fire. Maybe 2787. Maybe. Let's see. Ooh. You just hit 87 like on the dot. NQ didn't though. We know it did. We know it didn't. NQ didn't. Yeah, NQ didn't. MNQ did somehow. Whatever happened to our boy Danny? I don't know. Scott, what's up, bro? What's up, Scott? Okay, there it is. There's that 87. See if maybe somewhere in this area can get some price signature of a reversal. If not, then I am all aboard the short train, I guess. All aboard the short train. All aboard the short train. I wanted to see a little bit higher, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to see at least the Asia high get swept, and then I would have been so comfortable shorting, but whatever. You don't get what you want all the time. Not interested yet. I need to see like some actual movement to the upside for me to consider. Kind of like that. All right, fuck it. I'm gonna try that right there. Same thing. Super tight stop loss. 3-point stop. 3-point stop I'm running here right now. Could have been even better, but let's see. 3-point stop. For shorts, by the way. Oh. Wait, it only filled me out half my position. All right, yeah, this is some bullshit right now. Hold on. For short position, I think I need a full closure through this 15-minute, and then I can map out a short trade. I can map out short trade after a full closure through this. So here, let me delete these for a sec. I need a full closure under this on the 15-minute. If we could do that, I will be down with shorts, because I can use this 15-minute inverse as like a fresh P array pretty much. We have another 15-minute up here too. Probably don't want to see price go into that though. I don't want to see it go into that. For the shorts, by the way, my TP would be like full closure of this gap here. So what is this, 942? Yeah, full closure of that. This would be my TP for the short side. Like bare minimum 942. So if we can get a nice little reversal here, that's what I would like to see. 2.5 minutes left. New hourly lower here as well. I mean, we know this is ultimately gonna go lower. It's just from where? From where is the question. I have a level here at 67.25 as well. Just don't have a lot of confidence in it, man. I'll be honest with you guys. 67.25. I like this too. I'll mark it out and see. 4 hour here. No manipulation to the upside, and the daily no manipulation to the downside, right? This is kind of why usually I have a pretty layered bias because of these things. However, right now it's just kind of shitty. Right, I'm putting priority over, I'm putting priority on this daily over the 4 hour, right? So my bias here is short. It's just, obviously we want some solid entries, and inside of this range, I think it's a little difficult doing so. All right, we do have an inverse though. We do have an inverse of this 15 minute. So there you go. There's the inverse of the 15. Watch and see if we can get a clean entry off of that maybe. I'm glad I'm just on evals today though, to be honest with you guys. Okay. Trying to short there out of this open 5 minute. Open 5 minute gap. Do a stop like a 12 point stop just above that. Cover a good chunk of this 15 minute. And then, yeah, and then we'll see. This is my lucid eval, by the way, guys. Lucid evals, lucid evals. Lucid evals. Not trading any fundeds here today. It's just little too sketchy for my liking. To be honest, bro. A little too sketchy for my liking. You trade Asia every day? Yeah, every day. Every day, brother. Damn. That's off 77. A 5 minute inversion longs. Not a valid inversion. We didn't sweep the swing low. This, if it swept this low and then inverse this 5 minute, then yeah, it'd be a valid inversion long. But I'm not longing. If this inverses, I'm not longing that. This is like the only thing that I would be interested in besides another long maybe, but sketch now. It's just sketch. Long is sketch now. In shorts since 27 120. Nice. 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 We did not hit the lower 1 hour gap. We haven't inversed this open 1 hour gap either. I don't know, bro. Maybe there's a chance it goes and takes the Asia high. Who knows? Let's see, bro. I would still like to see the Asia high get swept. But I don't think I'm touching my live or my funded until these Asia highs are swept, and then I can grab a nice short. I think that's going to be my game plan here. Until the Asia high is swept, I'm just going to continue trading this eval here with a relatively smaller size and keep it that way. It's just it's a little too sketchy for my liking, to be honest with you. I don't like it enough to risk live or funded money here. I'll risk an eval, but that's it. There's a chance to try sweep high first. Yeah. Let's see, though. It definitely is not worth taking this on any live or funded, though, I'll be honest, guys. Just keep it small if you are. But I'm not the biggest fan. Move the stop loss a little bit lower here to this candle's high. The current 5-minute candle's high. After trading for 8 years alone, I found you this year, and you've been flowing. And when you're flowing with Keyflow, it's Asia session. It's so much better than trading alone. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your time always, brother, man. Bro, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Kind words like that is what makes me want to be here. You know what I mean? But I'm glad you guys get something out of joining and pulling up on these streams. I appreciate that a lot. Super slow right now though. Very slow. Oh, there we go. Nice. Nice flip on this 30-minute here too. I would watch this thing as it comes down into this like low 70s, 67 area. There's definitely a potential for maybe at least a retracement here. So I would definitely watch that. The fact that we flipped this 15-minute green to red, or sorry, yeah, it is green to red flip here on this 15-minute. Solid look. As we pretty much go through the entirety of this previous 4 hours range, right? The previous 4 hours range, the midpoint of it is 64. Okay, 64.25 is the midpoint of this previous 4 hours range. So this is where it becomes like a good area to either start scaling shorts or maybe just keeping a closer look on what price is doing. Because if there is going to be a reversal for the upside, it starts here, right? It starts at the CE, the midpoint of this previous 4 hours range, right? When I'm just looking at this 4 hour face value, nothing else taken into account, right? No draw on liquidity, nothing. I'm just looking at these two 4 hour candles, okay? And I had a multiple choice answer, okay? And this is all I see. This is all I see. And I got a multiple choice answer. A, we're breaking the high, or B, we're breaking the low. Which one are we doing first? Every single time I'm saying we're breaking the high first. Just the way this looks, I would say that this is going to break the high first, right? Unfortunately, like, I don't fucking dictate where this thing goes. So no idea really, but this 64-60s area is 100% a good area to keep a close eye on, because if we're gonna get a reversal, it'll be from that general, it'll be from that area's vicinity. Thanks for being the only legit trading figure in the space. Not the only legit, there's a few, but I appreciate that, bro. Taking off half my position at that 8 o'clock low for sure. Yeah, that's a good very good idea. Either you guys, like whoever's in shorts, either you guys take some off, right? Or you just start trailing your stop loss pretty aggressively, so that way you just get trailed out in profit and you don't have to, you know, worry about like losing money or anything. No, you're not really losing. Always wait for 4 hour sweep, but sometimes mid of 4 hour wick is worth taking just from experience. Yeah, it didn't even hit the midpoint of the 4 hour wick. That's what I had marked out here. It didn't even hit that. So, you know. This 15-minute went green to red, now back to green. W, price action W. Think it might consolidate here till midnight. It could. I mean, we have over an hour till midnight, so it doesn't have to. We could see a move before midnight. I mean, there's legit guys like Matt and Shin Booby, but your system resonated with me the best and helped me transform my trading. Appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Giving away accounts tonight? Yeah. How many likes are we at, guys? Let me check. How many likes are we at? Let's see. What are we at? We're at 162 likes, bro. 200 likes and I will give away a Lucid Crate. 200 likes, I'll give away a Lucid Crate. 200, 200. Everybody like it up. Everybody like it up. Just watched the CSZ video last night. Looking into the 15-minute FVG down here. Want to see if there's a chance for long. There is. It's just really, really... It's sketchy. The price action is way too sketchy here. I can make a bull case from the 4 hour, right? This 4 hour here. I can make a bull case from that. I can make a bull case from this no manipulation like to the upside. And then I can also make a bear case because we hit this 1 hour wick CE and we have a draw on liquidity to this low right here. So I can make a case for bull and bear, and that is the main reason why I'm only trading eval right now. I'm not touching any funded, no live right now, just trading these evals because to me it's a little bit sketchy, too sketchy for my liking. So, you know, better for me to just kind of just wait and watch. Whatever trade I take here, I'll take it on this eval because the eval I can risk. You know, it's just an eval, no big deal. But, you know, beyond that... Oh, wait. I had... Oh, shit. Look at that. I'm up $415 on this short. I didn't even remember that I took this. W, I guess. I forgot I took this. It's like finding $20 in your pocket from old jeans. Yes, I'm live. Huh?
What's up, littlest of buddies?
What's up, tiniest of buds?
Littlest of buds, littlest of pals.
What's up? What's up? What is up?
I'm short right now.
Yeah, me too.
On bitches NQ. Oh, nice. What's your entry?
107.
Oh, fuck you. Got a better entry than me.
My other account I have my other account I have a 84.5 entry.
I got it late.
Key 200 goal. Did we hit the 200 goal? Let me see. Let me confirm, bro. Oh, we hit it. W, guys. W. All right, let me load up Nightbot, bro.
Nightbot. What's Nightbot ever done for you?
Nightbot. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the random number. Okay. Everybody can enter 1 to 100. Go now. Random number. Go now.
You guys wanna know what's crazy? I gave Key 5 Lucid Crates account codes yesterday, and then he stole all of them.
Oh, King McClutch. King McClutch. You are the winner. King McClutch. Where are you at? King McClutch. Where are you is? King McClutch, congratulations. You are the winner. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? King McClutch. King McClutch. Oh, fuck. God damn it, King McClutch. I lost you.
Yo,
Oh, here, there he is. King McClutch, are you in the Discord ready to receive your account? Are you in the Discord ready to receive your account, King McClutch? Where are you? King McClutch. Yo, what's up? In chat? Where? What chat? What chat, King McClutch?
There's a ticket in your Discord of some dude who won a Apex account in November.
Yeah, I know. I didn't have any codes, bro. Yo. Where's King McClutch at, bro? Did you type or no? Discord chat. Oh, there you are. Damn, you're in premium. W King McClutch, bro. All right, I'm sending you this right now. I'm sending you this Lucid Crate right now. Congratulations on your Lucid Crate.
All right, new low made. Nice. I'm gonna trim one here, guys. At the Asia low, and then I'm gonna target the end dog.
There you go, bro. King McClutch. Enjoy.
Bro, say King McClutch one more time and see what
I
happens.
just saw that we made a fat new low. W. Oh my god. W trade. W fucking trade in the chat.
Key, I just trimmed at this low, by the way.
Congrats, bro.
I'm letting you know.
I know. I'm just saying congrats, like on a great trade.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna trim some too here, guys. Trimming. Matter of fact, trimming even more. There we go. And I'm just going to have a break even stop here on the remainder of my position, and that's pretty much it.
Who's talking in the background? That's Keyflow. He sounds sweet as hell.
This
He is.
this
He's actually one of the nicest guys around.
okay. Yeah, I am actually. This area, solid area. If it's gonna reverse, this is a good area for it to try to do so, because we're reaching into the 50% of the previous 4 hours range. So just watch this area. Be careful.
What's your model? So basically what my model is just...
This guy.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I got that one. That made sense, bro.
You got it? All right.
Yeah.
Chat, did you guys understand
appreciate
what I just
that.
said? You guys have any questions? You guys all heard that, right? Okay. Ginobili, are you BE? Yes.
Dude, I'll show you a BE.
Matter of fact, fucking show it to me, bro. Because now you just manifested our trade goes to break even. I'll show you a BE. You're in the same trade as me.
Yeah, no, I just have a way better entry, though. That's all. That's the only diffy.
You got like a 7-point better entry. I had 3 contracts. I made
7
more than you on this
points.
trade.
7 points. I have an entry at 107. Hello?
I have an entry at 100.
Yeah, that's not 3 points.
I said 7 points, and I said I had 3 minis. And
Yo,
I
bro,
already
you doing
lose.
too much talking, bro. You doing too much talking,
No,
bro.
you're
What
doing
I know is
wrong.
that my trade has just hit TP.
Key, what
One of
color
the
is your
TPs.
Bugatti? Key, what color is your Bugatti?
What color? Papaya Spark MSO.
By the way, chat, for people who are impoverished, MSO stands for McLaren Special Order. Only McLaren owners like
Yeah,
me
see,
would know.
yeah, see, this is how you know that you're just LARPing my McLaren, because it's McLaren Special Operations, not Order.
Oh, dude, I didn't mean to say order. I meant to say ops.
Yeah,
I
McLaren
was
Special
reading
Ops, bro.
someone's chat. I was reading someone's chat.
Like it's like a Black Ops, like Special Ops unit, bro.
Yeah.
Guys,
Oh,
get
dude,
some
I know
trimmies
too.
here. If you took the
Chat,
short with me,
don't-
get some
don't-
trimmies.
Don't fucking correct me, bro. I know it's operations. I just said orders for some reason because I was thinking about trades. Because you know
You were
unlike
oh,
most
you were
people-
thinking about like, cause you placed your order for the new McLaren. That's why you probably thought that.
Oh. No. I like that alley-oop. I like that. I actually really you know what? W alley-oop. Yes, guys. He is right.
Shinbubi wanna be like us so bad, Key. Oh my god.
Yo, you know what's crazy, bro? If one of your followers, like stream viewers, actually pulled up IRL, I was like, "Yo, bro, let me drive the McLaren." What are you saying?
Somebody literally asked me that in the I was talking to them about the New York the meet and greet, and somebody goes in the chat, he's like all right, so I'm gonna get to drive the McLaren, right? It's like, who are you?
Yo, are you even gonna bring the McLaren to the city?
I don't know. I have to think about that.
Shinobi said we are driving the McLaren. Guys, we all will. Don't worry.
Watch this area, guys. Watch this area. Strong area for potential reversal. If it's gonna do it, it'll do it here.
36549. Keep it up, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you didn't know, me, Keyflow, and Dodgy, we're gonna be hosting. Well, actually, Dodgy's hosting it. Me and Key kind of just said we're gonna show up.
We didn't say we're gonna show up. We were invited.
Oh, we were invited. Well, I said originally I was just gonna show up, and then he just invited both of us, and he was like, "Yo, would you please, Shinobi, please be my distinguished guest?" And I'm like, "Only if Key can come."
Reason behind the trade. Reason behind the trade: 1 minute, or sorry, 15-minute fair value gap, inverse fair value gap, and 1 minute chuz and deluz. 1 minute chuz and deluz.
The fat ass daily rejection cock we had though.
Yeah, I know. No. So the reason why I didn't take that is because I was expecting, honestly, a push through previous day high, and then I was going to short from there all the way to the daily open.
For a 5-minute chuz and deluz as well.
Yeah. My entry would have been fucking phenomenal, but yeah, I wasn't expecting short yet.
Shinobi, doesn't your RS6 Avant Finish and Sebring Black have the same engine as Keyflow's? Yeah, guys, we both have V8s except mine's twin turbo.
It's not the same engine at all.
Yes, guys, we
but
both have
you know
V8s.
what?
He just paid double the
whatever
price
makes
for it.
whatever makes you feel good, big tiniest of
someone
bros.
in my chat said that. They're like, "Yo, Shinobi, don't you both have V8s?" And I'm like, "Yeah." Keep paid. Who the hell said that? Yo, Soldier, you're my mod. Shut the fuck up. You're supposed to take my fucking side.
Key, you long, bro? What do you mean? Am I long? What do you mean? Hold on, bro. Hold on. What do you mean? Am I long? But do you see a long position on my chart? We see a position. Everybody sees a position on my chart. Does it look like it says long, bro? Why am I making money if it's going lower? What do you mean? Am I long?
You need to lower your cortisol, brother.
No, bro. That shit really makes my cortisol spike a little bit. Zertex, I love you, but you just won the dumbest question of the week award. Congratulations on winning that on a Friday.
Definitely not the
and
question of the week.
100% dumbest question of the week. That's the dumbest question of the week. Zertex, your award. Just give me your Discord username. We're going to give you a funded account that's $10 away from being blown. That's your award for winning the dumbest dumbest question of the week.
Bro, I have a dude in my chat. He joined the stream and he was like, "Yo, when are you streaming?" I'm like, "Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you?" Shinobi, what time are you gonna be live tonight? Brandon Brown, bro. Oh my gosh.
Taking it straight to a payout. Imagine.
Ginobili, what time are you gonna be live tonight? Why did I read that question twice, bro? Am I retarded? I gotta go soon. Can you stream faster? Yeah,
No, that one is from Los Pollos.
Oh, Wob, you stole that one?
Yes, that's he stole it. He stole it.
Had a funny joke.
He stole that shit, bro.
Dude, Los Pollos chat is so fucking funny, bro.
It's hilarious.
Yo, guys, you know what? We're watching. Yo, Key, let's do a little watch party of fucking Los Polos.
Hold on. I'm gonna deafen real quick. I just gotta say something. Yo, guys, for those of you guys, there's a lot of people over here that are probably using code Key to get accounts from different firms and stuff, like especially Apex right now because it's 90% off. If you are one of those people, make sure you guys claim the free PDF as well. All you have to do is ! PDF command in the chat. Make sure you guys claim it as well. It's completely free. It breaks down the exact model that I'm trading here in front of you guys. Breaks down the firm's rules, payout rules, all that good stuff. Like, it's a full breakdown, full PDF that you can kind of have in front of you as you guys trade. It's nice to have. I paid a lot of money to get it made. I paid $800 for that fucking PDF. So make sure you guys claim it and, you know, lock it in. Got it done for you guys. So, yeah. All you have to do is just use code Key on any of the firms. Majority of you guys are already doing that. Just take the confirmation code you got in your email, like the order confirmation, plug it into the website. You're good. You get it for free.
We make it so.
Okay, I'm back.
Hold on, we're watching Los highlights right now.
Oh my god. All right, ping me when you're done. I would have made the PDF for $100. No, bro. I'm gonna full close on this account, guys. On this eval, I'm full out. Made 220 there on the day. I'm still in on this eval. Just hold this eval. Oh, I'm up 720. Wow, that's got to be some good luck of some sort, right? Why are you still on this trade? I'm just waiting for like reversal signature to exit. If we get like a reversal signature, I will exit out of this trade. Here right now, that's going to be this 5-minute inverse. If we inverse this 5-minute, then I'm all aboard the long train. All aboard the long train. Can anybody tell me, by the way? Hold on. Let me pause the music for this. Because I know a lot of people earlier were talking about this inversion over here, right? A bunch of you guys were talking about this inversion back here. This one. And people are like, oh, if this inverses, I'm along. Why does this inversion hold weight and this one does not? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me for a free lucid? For a free lucid crate, can anybody tell me why this one does not matter and this one does? Congratulations, Pixelated W. Pixelated just won a free lucid crate. The correct answer is because we swept a swing low. All right. So over here, we did not have any swing low sweep, nothing. This one, we not only did we sweep this, but we also swept this swing low back here, right? So multiple swing lows swept, and that is the reason why this one has weight and this one up top does not. Okay. Where's Pixelated? Pixelated, I need you to type in the chat in... Oh, there he is. Wow, dude, he's on it. Wait, is that you, Pixelated? Pixelated, is that you in the premium Discord? Is that you? Confirm? Okay, W. All right, Pixelated, let me send you your lucid crate. There you go, Pixelated. Congrats. We now have 2 more lucid crates to give away. 2 more lucid crates. New here, just subscribe. WWW. Everybody that's new, or even those who are not new, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I go live. You know, always nice to have that. I took that 2 on paper. Nice. Usually live Asia session. I'm live Asia and also New York too. So 9:30 p.m. Asia is like almost a guaranteed pretty much every night. The New York one kind of just depends on how the market is reacting, what it's doing. But the best thing to do is just subscribe, turn on your noties, and you'll know exactly when I go live. Maybe a long from here. If we inverse this 5-minute, yeah. How many lots you normally put on your evals? 1 to 2 minis. Took the last free account you gave me to 3 pounds? No way. Let's go, dude. Hell yeah. Nice, new lows, potentially. A little bit of a dump, Boom, new low. W. Nice. I'm gonna trim some on this eval here, guys. Trimmed half my position there. I'll hold the other half. Stop loss is gonna be this high that we just created here on the 5-minute. And yeah, we'll leave it at that. Now we just wait and see. Wait and see what this does. W though. W fucking trade. W trade. We got the first trade up here. Or sorry, this was the first trade, but I took this off stream though. The trade on stream also up pretty nicely. We had entries inside of this gap, now up about 30 points. WW. Since the low got taken, is that 5-minute FVG still valid if inverse to the upside? Yeah, 100%. Still valid, yep. Key, please shout out to my wife, M. Hars. She's watching you every day. We're training together. Shout out M. Hars. Is that how you say the name? M. Hars? Mars? Am I saying that correctly? Mars? Mars? M. Hars? Shout out Mars and M. Hars. How about that? I'm also in this because of your teaching. I took it before you even went live. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Mars? Okay, sorry. My bad, bro. Is the way you spelled it. Shout out Mars, man. Shout out Mars. How long does it normally take you to pass an eval? Not very long. If I'm like actively trying to pass it, probably a day. Most important concept to learn about trading, psychology. 100% psychology. If you have your psychology right, you can really make anything work in terms of like, you know, what strategy you take, what strategy you use. You can make any of it work. As long as your psychology is right. Trading platform you're using? It's TradingView. How many accounts have you blown? A lot, probably. A lot. Part of the game, though, you know? Are you still watching? Oh, there he's deafened. Have you used Lucid Pro accounts? I use Lucid Flex. That's what I use. I use Lucid Flex, bro. How many lucids do you have at the moment? 3. 3 lucids at the moment, guys. You have a free Discord? Yes, I do. Exclamation mark Discord. Do the command exclamation mark Discord. It's free Discord. How do I see how many likes I've spammed on this stream? I don't know, bro, but shout out to you for liking. They need about $400 to lock in a 2K payout. Nice, bro, nice. You get it. You get it. Talk about the short you took off stream. Why short there? This 5-minute inverse gap right here, bro. 5-minute inverse gap, and then we had obviously the hourly wick CE. So this was just a short I was trying out on the evals. What's the playlist? It's just running me through like recommended songs on YouTube, bro. There's literally no playlist here. It's just going from one YouTube video to another. You good, Key, staying on here late? Oh shit, yeah, it's 11:10. It's almost time for me to hop off here, guys. I'll stay for another like 5-10 minutes. I'll stay for a little bit. I'll stay for a little bit. Web, what's up? How can we know the manipulation wick that the candle is made is valid? Because sometimes it forms a wick, then reverses to the other side. How can we know the manipulation wick that the candle has made is valid? If it's sponsored by a pity array or a high or low. If that wick has swept liquidity in some capacity, that's how you know it's a proper manipulation wick, right? A proper manipulation wick needs to be sponsored. That leg needs to be sponsored by a pity array or external liquidity, right? Which would be a high or a low. That's how you know. If it just reversed, or if it just reversed out of like nowhere for no reason, then chances are we probably go back up towards it, right? Generally speaking, which is actually one of the main reasons why I didn't want to short yet, was because this 4-hour here did exactly that, right? This 4-hour, this wick really didn't do anything. This is not a manipulation wick. So to me, I'm looking at this thinking we're probably going to go back up higher, which is why I said I would like to see previous day high. But then obviously the daily tells us a different story. The daily wants to go lower. So it's just, you know, whatever ends up happening. Been consistent for some time and never did a payout, raising 30 for a prop firm is a challenge in Kenya. Yeah, man. Unfortunately, it's just how it is. I copped the F82 BMW. Nice, bro. Let's go. Yo, Rivetin, if you need parts for your BMW, like carbon fiber parts and stuff, like a front lip or diffuser and stuff, go to @bimmer_source on Instagram. And you can use code key with @bimmersource and get whatever parts that you want. Best prices, best quality, best fitment. So lock in with Bimmersource for your BMWs. Protected highs in play. Yep. What eval you trading? Lucid. I took the trade a little higher with daily CE and went to take a nap. Welcome profit. Nice, bro. Let's go, Igor. Are those prediction candle indicators? There's not a prediction candle. It's just showing. It's just plotting the live candles from those time frames here on the right hand side. It's an indicator. It says it's ICT HTF candles by Fadi. That's the name of the indicator. It has a carbon fiber diffuser, carbon lip, and side skirts already. All right, for when you break the lip, because you're probably going to break the lip at some point, right? 6-speed manual, 48K miles. Nice, bro. Hell yeah. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Just closed out $500 on my funded. Fire. Let's go. ES gaps are nice. Is trading your main income source? Yeah. I make the most amount of money trading, yes. It's not my only income source, but it's my main, yeah. Not asking for a Lucid case. However, I'm wondering, how are you guys able to have more case keys than anyone else? Who's you guys? Who has more case keys than anyone else? I haven't tried Lux Algo. Nope. S7, what up, bro? How you doing, brother? I thought you were a full-time trader. What else are you into? I am a full-time trader. That doesn't mean I don't have other streams of income. Can you not sing? Thank you. Hello? Can you not sing? Thank you. Thanks. Appreciate that.
I was alone in this world and I need
Bro, I will just deafen.
I don't wanna go.
Okay. If you subscribe to his Discord, he gives us the cases daily. Why not wait for the validation of the trend to confirm its change before it close out? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm not closing out of this. I'm holding. I'm holding. Did you go to Bimmer Invasion? Yep. Yep, I was in Bimmer Invasion. We had a booth. My car was at the Bimmer Source booth at Bimmer Invasion. Yes, sir. TY, bro, you do a great service for the community. Thanks, man. In return, all I ask is you guys support Code Key with whatever prop firm you use. That's it. I was ATM model. No idea what that is. Do you think 957 is a valid level for TP? 942 is my level for TP. 942. You think you're going live tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah. Could you recap this trade? I got this initial entry here off of the 5-minute inverse. We had another entry right here off of this open 5-minute gap. We inversed this 15-minute, and then we had this open 5-minute gap that I shorted here for an additional entry. So that's where that's pretty much the recap there. Just, bro, if you guys are in the trade, just trail your stop loss. Just as price creates new swing highs, just continue trailing your stop loss. You'll be fine. You're not going to miss out on anything. If this is going to deliver to the lows, you continuing to just trail your stop loss is the best way that you can capture the entire move. Best prop firms in your opinion? The three that I like the best: Apex, Scalability, 20 accounts, really no other firm that you can do that on. And right now they're 90% off, so you can get them for cheap as shit. Lucid, fastest payouts in the game right now. Pretty easy to get payouts with Lucid Flex accounts. Pretty fucking easy to get payouts. It's not that difficult. 5 winning days, 50% of the balance. That's it. And then third is TPT. TPT is my third favorite. Another great firm. Essentially no rules once you get past the eval phase. Literally 0 rules. No consistency, no minimum payout, no maximum payout, no minimum days, like nothing. Very, very easy to get payouts on TPT as well. The only thing is TPT has a trailing drawdown for $2 grand. So But it's pretty easy to pass it because there's no what's it called? Consistency rule. Those are my top 3. Subscribe to his Discord. He teaches these trades in the community in there. Thanks, man. Thanks, Igor. 27,105. 27,105. Ooh, if it goes to 27,105, it's going to previous day high. Top Step, it used to be good. I don't use Top Step anymore, though, bro. Just, they left a bad taste in my mouth from all the bullshit that was happening, so I no longer use Top Step. Bro, your last video is so fire. Thank you, bro. Forgot about that. If you guys haven't already, I uploaded a new video on prop firms on my YouTube. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys go and watch that video. Pretty much goes through my entire model. Is not good because they don't have affiliate. Spoken like a retard. Anybody who watches my streams or has been for a while knows that Top Step used to be my top 3. And then they fucked me over. And I stopped trading with them. Very simple. Indicator settings. Yeah, I'm gonna go through them real quick, okay? First one. Second one. Loki, that's it. Yeah, Loki, that's literally it. That's it. And then the SMT one, which I don't have any settings. I just use the same settings that it came with. What about Alpha? Alpha's a good firm as well. I like Alpha too. W firm Alpha. Where the fuck did my cat go? The hell? Shit literally disappeared. Oh, whatever. Okay, guys. I'm probably gonna call it a day here. It is almost 11:30, so I'm gonna hop off. But have a beautiful day, everybody. Have a great night. I'm gonna hop off. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow morning. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your noties. Make sure you guys, if you guys want to get some Apex accounts, use code Key. If you want to get Lucid accounts, use code Key. If you want to get TPT accounts, use code Key. Use code Key for guaranteed payouts, basically. And yeah, man, that's it. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm staying in this trade until 942.5. Right? Yeah, 942.25. I'm staying in this shit. I'm not getting out of it until it just trails me out. That's it. That's all I got. Peace out, everybody.